I'm experiencing tightness on my trap, so like I think it's in my lower trap to be specific. So when I'm like doing this, I feel like a pinch back there.
How long has that been bothering you?
For months, long months.
For musculoskeletal doctors, we focus on taking pressure off of the spinal nerves. C7 and C6 and T1 are going to be associated with a lot of the nerves in that shoulder. So we'll focus on getting a really good neck adjustment today. Any pain or discomfort with that?
No.
Pain or discomfort with that?
No, I'm just tight.
Gotcha, okay. A little tight right through here.
Yeah.
Feel those muscles lock up. Now, if this causes any pain or discomfort, okay? I'm going to do the other leg. Any pain or discomfort here? Any pain with that?
Nope.
Okay, awesome. Discomfort here?
Nope.
Okay, I'm going to bend this over like a figure 4 and push down. Any pain or discomfort there? Awesome. Any pain or discomfort here? Bend down. About that. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to push down on your shoulders. Any pain or discomfort there? Okay. I'm going to push down on top of your head. Any pain or discomfort here? Okay, now I'm going to lift up on your head. Does this cause pain or take away any pain?
No.
Okay, awesome. Go the other way. I'm going to use this percussion gun just to kind of loosen up and relax your muscles, okay?
Yeah. I usually stab the massage gun against my back.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, I'll just crank it up and yeah, this is really good for people that have like low back pain and like sciatica type symptoms, because this opens up those facet joints and takes a lot of pressure off the nerve. Take a big breath in, breathe all the way out for me. All right, just relax. Good. There we go.
Woo! Wow, that was a lot of guys.
Yeah. It's awesome.
Ooh.
So this is your first time ever having this done. How's that feel?
Oh, it feels good.
And there shouldn't be a lot of bruising with this, but it is going to be really red because it's bringing blood flow to the area to kind of help stimulate that healing process. So later tonight, you can do ice like 10 to 15 minutes on and then do like 10 to 15 minutes off a couple times. It's going to be really good, kind of help you feel better when you wake up in the morning, okay?
Feels good.
Now you may experience some like red circles and dots, kind of have you looking like Micheal Phelps here before you leave, but those will go away within a few days, okay?
It's dark. The one in my trap.
You're rhomboid. Close.
This is good mobility.
Okay. When you were doing this, is that causing any more pain and discomfort like you had before?
No,
Not as
a
severe?
bit less, yeah.
Okay. Awesome. That's good. Describe your first experience with a chiropractor.
Good. Very good. A lot of things.